Bicol University is among the Philippines' top state colleges founded on June 21, 1969. Through the passage of RA 5521, it is renowned for its dedication to delivering top-notch instruction and promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values. The university has multiple campuses in Legazpi City, Albay, and satellite campuses in Daraga, Pulangi, Gubat, Binobatan, and Tabaco City. Each differs a diverse range of programs and facilities. Bicol University offers a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs in fields such as education, agriculture, fisheries, arts and sciences, business, law, medicine, and engineering. Bicol University is also known for its BU Olympics, a week-long festivity featuring vibrant parades, various sports events, and BU Hataw celebration, a dance performance that is held for the opening of BU Olympics to demonstrate the unity and togetherness of every BUN. College of Industrial Technology, formerly known as Bicol University School of Arts and Trades, is among the 16 colleges of Bicol University.
It is located in East Campus alongside the College of Engineering and the Institute of Architecture. Mechanical Technology is one of the courses offered by the College of Industrial Technology that offers a hands-on experience in the technological aspects of mechanical design, implementing engineering principles through projects and internships that will help future machinists to develop skills that will prepare them for their future careers in the field of mechanical technology. The Mechanical Technology course at Bicol University is a rewarding experience. We learn both theory and practical skills that prepare us for real-world work. We are taught how to use tools and machines, read blueprints, and apply engineering principles. One of the most exciting parts is working on projects where we get to create our workpiece in a machine. These hands-on tasks make learning enjoyable and help us gain confidence in our abilities. It's not always easy, but every challenge teaches us something new.
As students of Bicol University, our goal is to become skilled, responsible, and dedicated professionals. We aim to use the knowledge and skills we learn here to make a positive impact in our future careers. We strive to hold the university's core values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. We also want to contribute to the community by solving problems, creating innovations, and sharing what we have learned with others. Above all, we dream in becoming successful in our chosen fields and making Bicol University proud of what we achieve.